Hey, third graders. Today you're going to be working with an activity called the Dancing Donut. It's a making change activity where you're going to be using this menu from a donut shop to figure out how much change you should get back if you buy donuts. On each slide, you're going to see something like this. It says, I'm going to buy a blank. It costs blank. I have $4.99 to pay the clerk. Watch this right here because this is going to change every video. Every amount is going to change in every video. The clerk will have to give me blank and change after I pay them. So this first blank, we will write the name of our donut, the type of donut we'll buy. Then we'll write its cost. We'll pay attention to how much we have to pay the clerk. And then we'll find out how much change they're going to have to give us back. So the first donut I think that we'll buy, I think that we will buy a chunky chocolatey donut. I don't know how they spelled that. There we go. That's where I messed up. Chunky chocolatey donut. So now I need to see how much it costs. Chunky chocolatey costs $1.39. I know that I have $4.99 to pay the clerk. And I have to figure out how much change the clerk is going to have to give me back. I know that when I make change, I have to take how much I have in my pocket, how much money I have, and subtract the cost of what I'm buying. So I'm going to end up doing $4.99 minus $139. Now with expanded form, we're going to end up writing it like this. 400. Let me move it down here. $499, so 499, and then I have 139. So I'm going to do 499 minus 139. 9 minus 9 is 0. 90 minus 30 is 60. And 400 minus 100 is 300. So I know that the clerk is going to have to give me back $3.60 in change. Let's try the next one. Let's buy let me see, we have $2.24 to pay the clerk. So let's buy a Tutti Frutti donut. I'm going to buy a Tutti Frutti donut. And that's going to cost $1.
Today's activity, you guys are going to be doing an activity called the Dancing Donut.
That's going to cost $1.49, my Tutti Frutti donut. Make sure I have that correct, $1.49. Yep. Let's see how much change we're going to get back. I have $2.24 to pay the clerk. So now I'm going to end up doing $2.24 minus $1.49. Go ahead and set that up in expanded form. So I have 200. Let me move this down. 200 plus 20 plus 4. So 224, and then minus 149. The first one is 4 minus 9. I can't do that, so I'm going to borrow from the tens place. When I borrow a 10, bring it over, that becomes a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Then I have 10 minus 40, which I can't do, so I'm going to borrow from the hundreds place. It's going to become a 100, and the 100 that I'm borrowing comes over to the hundreds place, and it becomes 110. 110 minus 40. Let's count that back together. So 110, we'll start at 110 minus 10 would be 100, 90, 80, 70. So 110 minus 40 would be 70. 100 minus 100 is 0. So we have 75. So we could write that like this. We could write back that they're giving us $0, because that's 0 hundreds, and 75 cents, or we could write it like this, that they have to give us 75 cents back in change. And that's how you make change with expanded form.